Before buying LED solar string lights, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. Many look great on the surface, but real buyers have concerns that make a huge difference. Let's uncover what really works and what doesn't. Product number 1, Brightech Ambience Pro. First up, we have the Brightech Ambience Pro Solar Powered Outdoor String Lights. Priced at $21.99, these are commercial-grade lights that caught my attention with their vintage Edison bulbs. If you're after a cozy, inviting atmosphere for your patio or garden, this is worth a serious look. They're 27 feet long and come with 12 shatterproof LED bulbs, which means they're built to last. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The bulbs emit a warm 3000 Kelvin glow, perfect for setting the mood during gatherings. Plus, with an impressive 20,000-hour lifespan for the LEDs and a solar panel rated for about 1,000 charges, you're investing in long-term enjoyment. Now, some people complained about the solar panel needing direct sunlight for optimal charging. Here's the thing, though, if you can place the panel in a sunny spot, you'll be just fine. If you're in a shady area, it might be a challenge, but that's not a deal-breaker for most outdoor settings. This is perfect for you if you want durable, stylish lighting for your outdoor space. Skip this one if you're looking for something that can handle heavy rain without any worries. For the price, you really can't go wrong with these lights. Product number 2, VGUX G50 FT Solar Powered Lights. Now, if Brightech solar panel placement concern bothered you, the VGUX G50 FT Solar Powered Lights might be right up your alley. At a modest price of $16.99, this set offers a lot of bang for your buck. What caught my eye is the automatic on-off feature. The light sensor kicks in as soon as the sun sets, so you won't have to think about it after a busy day. With 20+ hours of runtime after just 8 hours of charging, you'll enjoy bright illumination for your backyard or patio parties. Plus, its waterproof design means you don't have to worry about sudden downpours ruining your evening. However, some users noted that the remote control can have limited range. That said, it still offers manual controls directly on the solar panel for times when you can't reach. It's a small inconvenience considering the overall value, especially if you want flexibility in how you control the lights. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable, low-maintenance option that lights up large areas easily. Skip this one if you prefer a more traditional setup without remote features. For the price, you get a solid combination of features and performance. Product number 3, Chu-Opu Life Solar Camping String Lights. Next up is the Chu-Opu Life Solar Camping String Lights, retailing at $27.88. This caught my attention because it combines string lights with a portable camping lantern. If you're looking for versatility, this is definitely worth a serious look. It features 150 warm white LEDs that fill your tent with a soft glow, making it feel cozy and inviting. In addition, it has a built-in 3600 mAh battery that charges in just 8 hours of sunlight or 4 hours via USB. This means you can have up to 18 hours of light at lower brightness, which is fantastic for camping trips. Some users mentioned that the lantern isn't as bright as they expected. Now I'll be real with you, it's not going to light up a football field, but it's perfect for intimate settings like around a campfire or on your patio. If you're after a party atmosphere, it might not cut it, but for camping, it's a solid choice. This is perfect for you if you're an outdoor enthusiast who loves camping and needs reliable lighting. Skip this one if you need something strictly for large outdoor parties. With its dual functionality, it offers great value for the price. Product number 4, Adlon 52 FT Solar String Lights. Alright, that was a solid option. But the Adlon 52 FT Solar String Lights come in at $18.99 and offer some unique features. What really stood out to me is the ability to charge via both solar and USB. This means you can ensure your lights work even on cloudy days, which is a big win for consistent outdoor ambience. It comes with 16 LED bulbs and multiple brightness modes, making it super customizable for your outdoor gatherings. Users appreciate the flexibility in light settings from soft to super bright. However, a few customers pointed out that the remote can be a bit finicky. Here's the thing, if you don't mind doing a quick manual control adjustment sometimes, this won't be a deal breaker. The overall versatility and dual charging options make it an attractive choice for many. This is perfect for you if you want customizable lighting for various outdoor scenarios. Skip this one if you prefer a simpler setup without multiple controls. For what you get, it's quite a steal. Product number 5, Brighten 100 FT Solar String Lights. Finally, we have the Brighten 100 FT Solar String Lights priced at $33.24. This one is a bit pricier, but hear me out, the features justify it. With a whopping 100 feet of lighting, these are ideal for larger spaces. They include 31 shatterproof LED bulbs that emit a warm glow at 2700 K, making your outdoor area feel inviting. You can control the brightness and set timers using the remote, and they charge in just 4 hours of sunlight. However, some buyers mention that the installation process could be slightly tricky. Now, I'll be honest, if you're not into DIY projects, this might take a little patience. But the long-lasting performance and warm ambience make it worth the effort. This is perfect for you if you're looking to light up a large area for parties or gatherings. Skip this one if you're in a hurry and want something that's quick to set up. For the extended runtime and features, the investment is justified. So there you have it, 5 fantastic options for LED solar string lights. The Brightech Ambience Pro is great for a stylish touch, while the VGUXG lights offer excellent automation. Chuo Life is perfect for campers, Adlon brings flexibility with dual charging, and Brighten shines for larger spaces. Each has its strengths, so pick the one that fits your needs best.